Storytime Shorts. Hi, and welcome to Storytime Shorts. My name is Miss Angie.
And I'm Mrs. O.
And my name is Luigi. Hi, friends at home.
Hi. Hi, Luigi.
Hey, Mrs. O.
Did you know that Earth Day is coming up soon?
That's great.
Yeah, it's a time when we celebrate our wonderful Earth and we think about ways that we can keep it clean and healthy. So I have a book I want to show you, Luigi.
Oh, wonderful. Oh, it's so beautiful.
It's called Thank You Earth by April Policer, a love letter to our planet.
Oh.
And I'm just going to show you a few of the pictures in it. It's so beautiful. Someone took some really pretty photographs.
That stuff is cute.
Yeah. It starts out with your Earth, and then it shows pictures of all kinds of things to be thankful for on our Earth. And there's animals and all kinds of stuff.
Oh.
And I want to show
Oh,
you.
the ladybug, that's so... I really
trees.
like that.
And one of my favorite, well, all of it's my favorite, I think.
That's
Flowers,
beautiful.
and food that it gives us. And, oh, look at the birdies.
So cute.
Thank you for sounds, because yeah, we do have a lot of
Tweet,
great
tweet.
sounds. Yeah. But birds, you hear those in the morning, especially now that we're getting more into spring.
Because it's spring, yeah.
Wow. Do you know anything about birds, Luigi?
I know that they make a nest,
Very
right?
cool. How about you, friends at home? Do you know anything about birds?
Wonderful.
That's right. They have beaks,
Mm-hmm.
and they can fly.
They can fly, all right.
And what do they eat?
Bird seed.
Yeah, or worms.
Oh my! I like worm. I like the gummy worms.
Oh yeah.
Not the real worms.
Yeah. Well, we're going to be talking about birds today, and I'm going to teach you the sign for birds. It's really easy, and we're going to take our two fingers and make like a beak and put it up by your mouth and go like this, and that's the sign for bird. Can you try that at home?
Good job, little birdies. We have a finger play today that goes along with our birds theme. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your hands and you're going to use your pointer fingers for your birdies. And it goes like this. Two little baby birds sitting on a cloud. One named Quiet, the other named Loud. Fly away quiet, fly away loud. Woo! Come back loud. Woohoo! Now they're going to be sitting on a gate. Can you do that? Ready? Two little birdies sitting on a gate. One came early and the other came late. Fly away early. Fly away late. Go on, fly away late. Oh, sorry. Let's do that one more time. Two little birdies sitting on the ice. Oh, that must be really cold. One is mean. Hey, watch it, buddy. And one is nice. Sorry. Fly away mean. Arr. Fly away nice. Excuse me. Come back mean. Arr. Come back nice. Hello. Good job.
Is something on my head?
Yes. There is a bird on your head.
There is a bird on my head.
Now there are two birds on your head.
What are two birds doing on my head?
They are in love. Aww.
The birds on my head are in love?
They are lovebirds. Aww.
Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds?
Well, they're making a nest. Oh, lovebirds making a nest.
Two birds on my head are making a nest. Why would two birds on my head be making a nest? Oh, I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. It's a beautiful thing.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head?
And 2 birds and a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Well, why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them!
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else?
No problem.
It worked! Wow! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy! Thank you very, very much!
You are welcome. What do we got going on here, Mrs. O?
Well, Luigi, what do these look like to you?
Houses.
Yeah, guess what they're for?
Shapes.
Yeah. Guess who lives in these houses?
A triangle, a circle.
Well, these are bird houses. And do you want to help me count them, Luigi, and see how many bird houses we have?
Sure.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5 birdhouses.
Right, and you're right, Luigi. They do all have different shapes.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
You noticed. Good job. This one, it's round like this. Do you know what this is called, kids at home?
That's right. It's a circle. You guys are great.
Good job. Okay, now this one has sides. It's not like the circle with no sides. This has sides. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4. And they don't look like they're all the same size. These are longer. So do you know what that is? What kind of shape that is, kids?
It's a long square.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, but do we have a name for that? It's
Oh.
called a Rectangle.
Rectangle.
That's
There we
right.
go.
Okay, and now let's look at this one. It has 1, 2, 3 sides. Do we know what that's called?
Huh.
Hmm. That's right.
Triangle?
Very good.
Oh.
Very good. And this one's kind of hard.
Whoa.
It looks like half of a circle. Do you know what that's called? Anybody at home? Or Luigi?
Any guesses?
It's a semicircle.
Wow.
Yeah.
But I don't see a truck on there. No
Yeah.
semis or
Yeah,
anything.
That's right. Well, I guess semi means half.
Oh.
So, yeah, semicircle. And
Wonderful.
then one more. This is like a circle that's been stretched out. It's kind of like a long circle.
It looks like an Easter egg.
Oh,
Right?
yes, it does. It looks like an egg. And do you know the name of this shape? Kids at home? That's right. I think I heard someone say
Oval. Good
Very
job.
good. Okay, well, I just happen to have some birds, and we're going to figure out which house these birds would fit in, because they
Oh.
also have a shape to them. So let's bring out the birds. We have this purple one.
Oh, he's so cute.
We have this blue one,
Aw.
red one.
Oh,
It's
my.
hard to see. Oh, this is a one-eyed bird.
Oh, man. Poor little fella.
Yeah, and then this green one.
Oh, wow.
All right, and if you look at them, these birds have a kind of shape to their body too.
They're different shapes.
Yeah, and so let's look at this green one. Let's see which house.
He's very pointy.
He is. You're right. Can you tell which house he looks like he would fit in? How about
That one with the
this
pointy.
one? Yeah, very good, Luigi.
That's the what? The triangle
Yep,
one?
a triangle bird for the
Oh.
triangle house.
Wonderful.
Okay, let's look at the shape of this purple bird.
Maybe up on top?
Oh,
Oh.
well, that's close. Very close, but it's a
Oh.
little bit fatter than him. So we need
Okay.
a longer, skinnier one.
Oh.
Maybe
Oh, yep.
this
The
one.
oval.
Good job. I bet the kids at home guessed that. Oh, look at this.
Oh, he's a big guy.
He is.
He's a big circle.
He's very round. You're right.
He's a circle.
That's right, so
That
good.
means right there.
Okay. That's right. Good job, Luigi. You
Thank
pitched
you.
perfect. Okay, now let's look at this guy.
He looks sort of like an owl.
You're right. He does. Very good. And he's shaped with 4 sides, and these are longer.
Oh, he
So
looks
which
like
one are these?
the rectangle.
Very good. Look how perfect he fits in there.
Oh, he's so cute.
And that leaves us this little guy. And
Oh, the guy with the one
yeah, he's
eye.
winking at us. And he fits good in the semicircle house.
Oh, that was wonderful. Thank you for that. I had fun. What about you, kids?
Good
that
job.
was great. Thank you so much for joining us for our Storytime Shorts. And we're going to sing our goodbye song now. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, friends.
Thanks for joining us.
Goodbye, friends.